Today, I'm gonna show you guys how to make an amazing steak dinner with minimal efforts. First thing we're gonna do is turn on the stove. We're gonna put it up on high. We're gonna get this cast iron going.
It's so easy, he doesn't even put his wine down.
That's right. That's so right, baby. Never put your wine, you never put your drink down. Now while this heats up. Ooh, wow. Baby. See this beautiful marbling right here? This is Wagyu, man. Okay, when it comes to steaks like this, you really don't have to do much. We're gonna do just salt and pepper. Trust me. Salt and pepper, that's all you need. Now, if you have a nice coarse salt, that's good, it's better. Me, you know how I do. I work with what I got, and I got regular salt. So, generous amounts of salt all over the steak.
And why so generous?
Because you're gonna lose a lot of this when you're cooking a steak, as it's searing off, right? A lot of it comes off. And this is also the base for the crust. I know you guys know what I'm talking about, that nice char on the steaks. Okay, a little pepper here. And this is a zabuton cut, okay? Typical in Argentina. Also, some people call it the Denver cut here in the US, okay? But this bad boy is Wagyu, okay? It's another level. So if you want to know when your cast iron skillet is hot enough, you can either look for this white smoke here, or get a little bit of water in your hand. See that? When the water just evaporates, that's when it's ready. Okay? So what we're gonna do is gonna take a high smoke point oil. It could be vegetable, but I like canola, okay? High smoke point. We're gonna glaze it. Okay, and now you're gonna layer the steak in away from you. Alright, now you're not gonna touch it. You're gonna leave it there for 2 minutes. Now we're gonna flip it. With the grip on her. See that? You see that?
Wow.
Oh my god. You see that crust? That's what I'm talking about. So now it's been a couple minutes on each long side, okay? Now what we're gonna do, get in here, let them build that crust. You see how that side turned out? You see that, boy?
Wow.
Now, hold it. 30 seconds on each side, on the thin side. Been about 30 seconds. Then this side. Okay. Now we're gonna lower the heat. Slide that butter in there. Start it off. Rosemary. Truffle powder. Slide it up here. We're gonna tilt this up. Let this start melting. And then you baste. You're gonna baste for about a minute on each side. Flip it. We want to get it so around 105, 110. Right there, look at that. We're almost there. Yes, beautiful. Okay, so she needs about another minute top, because at 105 you want to take it off the heat, because the steak's going to continue to rise in temperature with another 15-20 degrees. It'll end up at a beautiful like 120, 125. Okay, so now we're going to take it off. Now we're going to leave this steak alone for like 8 to 10 minutes. We're gonna let it rest. Let all the juices just release back into the meat. If you like what you see, guys, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel to see what comes next. Over here, come. Time, it is time.
Cut the steak.
See the steak right here? It is ready. It is time to taste, okay? So, you hear that? Beautiful little crust. Let's cut into this. Oh man.
Wow.
See that knife right there?
Just how we like it,
You
right?
see that? Oh man. We eat steak rare in this house, guys. Rare to medium rare. Now, honey, shall we get a taste of this?
Yes.
I think it's taste time. I think it's taste time. Okay. Which one do you want?
The fat side.
Ah, come on. Okay, go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead. Let's do it.
It's a little bigger.
We're from Texas, baby. Everything's big in Texas.
Mmm.
Let's see. There's nothing quite like taking a bite of a nice, buttery Wagyu piece of steak. Okay? Ah, flavors. Garlic, butter, the truffle and the butter, the rosemary underlying. It's good, man. That being said, guys, when you do steak like this in the cast iron skillet, make sure all your windows are open because it's gonna get real smoky. Okay? Till next time.
Bye, guys.
Douglas Cooks.